Hello everyone, this is Zippo again. Today I received my Zippo that I have been bidding on an auction, and that's this one. It's brand new in a collector's tin. This one completes my Zippo Replica collection. So here it is. And this is the 1932 replica. Let's see if we can. Here you see the old warning and guarantee in the box. This one has never been used. The seal is still on, and I think I will keep this on. I don't know. I will think about it, but for now I think this will stick onto it. Okay, so here it is. On the top you have the old bottom stamp from Zippo and the original 1932 Zippo limited edition. On the bottom you get, let's see, original 1932 replica, second release, Zippo, Bradford, PA, made in USA. You have no date stampings on this one, but I know you got it on the insert. But I know this lighter is from the 90s, somewhere in the 90s. They actually did a mistake when they stamped these lighters, because Zippo was founded in 1932, but they didn't produce any lighters before 1933. So on the newer ones you get a stamp with the 1933 replica instead of the 32. So that's that one. I don't know if I should tell you how much I paid for this lighter. It's mostly insane. But I was bidding against one person, and I got this for, don't tell it to anyone, but I paid $200 for this one. It's crazy, I know. It's crazy for a lighter, but you don't think about it when you get addicted to collecting Zippos. So, but it's pretty expensive. I think it's pretty expensive. You got a much square case with not rounded corners at all. You got the external hinge, but this is actually fake. It's an internal hinge, but they have these two spots. I think they are spot welded on, so you get the appearance to have external hinge, but it's internal, so that's just a fake. So there it is, the 1932 replica, or 33 to be correct. So that completes my replica collection. So Now I have the 1932. I have the 1935 with a real external hinge. There. You can see they're different insides, but both are very squared off. I got the 1937 replica. And I got the 1941 replica, which is much rounder. And last, just a minute. The modern Zippo, like we all are used to it, today's model. So there you got them. All the different Zippo models from 32 to today's model. So 32, 37, no, excuse me, 32, 35, 37, 41 and the modern one. So that's it. So I will thank you for watching my videos, and if you like, subscribe and post a comment. More videos to come. I have a bunch of Zippos to review, so stay tuned and see you guys later. Bye bye.